Textile industry is facing a huge problem in terms of sustainability due to overproduction of the textile and then very short lifetime and usage of the textiles. Amount of the waste generated start to be quite overwhelming. In average, Europeans threw away 11 kilo per person textiles per year. The textile industry is demonstrating from 6 to 10% of the global carbon emissions.
Different businesses and organizations play a very important role on preventing the overproduction on textiles. Because at the end of the day, the customers are who are making the call how their textile needs are served. Lindström has been within the textile business since it has been founded 1848. And we have been providing textiles as a service already since 1930s. Our customers can fully focus on their core business while we are taking care of the textile needs. All the way starting from the sustainable design of the products, manufacturing, procurement, then the washing and the maintenance of the product, and then at the end of the life cycle of that product to taking care of the recycling of it. So they can be sure that the usage of natural resources, the environmental burden is minimized all the time when they are using our services. When working towards the positive future, cooperation and collaboration with different partners is such a crucial. We know that no company can change the world alone, not even the textile industry. And therefore, it's so crucial that we work together with our partners and with our customers.
Our relationship with Lindström is very important, and we have been working together since the beginning of Restore practically. And Restore is one of the key players in the green transition in textile industry. Our specific role is to be recycling the end-of-waste textiles from companies. And on the other end, it's our role to produce high-quality raw material for industrial usage. So it's like a two-way street. So we are looking into the whole transition with a holistic point of view and working a lot to get the whole value chain included, because this needs many, many parties besides us. We cannot do it alone.
The closed-loop recycling process, it is about using the textiles as a raw material in the whole circulation. Meaning that when the textile comes in the end of its lifetime, then we could use it as a raw material for the production of the new textile fibers. Closed-loop recycling process does not only reduce amount of the waste, it also impacts to the very beginning of the process. So we can use recycled fibers for the new yarn and fabric production. So if we utilize at least a little bit recycled fibers, we can avoid the virgin ones. And it is very well-known fact that cultivating cotton requires a massive amount of water, requires a lot of land, and we might need that land in the future for the food production. I really think that the benefits of the recycling textile fibers will pay off in the future.
In the closed-loop recycling process in place with Restore and Lindström, Kloppmann will spin, weave and dye the fabric. Once the fabric will be produced, it will be given to the garment maker and it will give a new life to the garment. This is a very important step forward if we consider that in Europe today, 80 to 85% of clothes are being burned or dumped.
I'm the production manager here at Nestlé Turku factory, and Lindström is our supplier for workwear. They came up with bio-based textiles which are very suitable for our hot environments and very comfortable for the operators. We think that by relying on experts, they can do the processes more efficient, like making the clothes, washing, and finally the recycling of the materials.
Looking now at the future, we believe that there is no other option for our planet than investing all our efforts in saving resources, reusing materials, and optimizing production. One of the most important undertakings for the future is to move the model from a linear model to a circular approach to business.
Lindström will be focusing especially on three areas. One is the energy consumption, one is customer deliveries, and then of course textiles. Caring for people and our planet by inspiring people to shine and businesses to grow in a sustainable way, that's our purpose. And that really drives our operations and all our decisions.